Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, which of these cooking gurus was once a professional stockbroker? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and along with it I'll give you a short explanation about the answer. And here is the correct answer for the question. The correct answer for the question is Martha Stewart, and here is a bit more information about the answer. Martha Stewart, the lifestyle expert and media tycoon, has navigated a captivating professional journey spanning various roles, transitioning from a model to a stockbroker before evolving into a prominent figure in the media industry. Following her graduation from Barnard College, she delved into the world of finance of Wall Street, acquiring a valuable business acumen. Despite her tenure in finance lasting until 1972, her true interest lay elsewhere. Upon relocating to Westport, Connecticut, she cultivated a catering enterprise that highlighted her exceptional skills. Consequently, she rose to prominence as a celebrated television host, entrepreneur, and cookbook writer. So that is the correct answer for the question, Martha Stewart. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.